We are going to multiply decimals. For that, first of all, let's multiply the decimals with whole numbers. For that, 0.3 multiplied with 2. Okay, multiplied with 2. Here also, this one also very easy. 3 times only multiply the numerical values. So 3 2s are 6. Okay, 3 2s are 6. Here, how many digits after the decimal point? Here you can see only one digit after the decimal point. Only one digit after the decimal point. So in this case, you should place your decimal one digit from its last. Okay, one digit from its last and put a 0. Put a 0. Okay, what we did here, just try to understand this clearly. 0.3 multiplied with 2, we just multiply the numerical values. When you multiply only 6, after that you have to count how many digits after the decimal point. Only one digit. So from its last you have to place the decimal one digit before. If there are only one digit, if there is only one digit after the decimal point while multiplication, in your answer also only one digit should be after the decimal point. Okay, after the decimal point. Let's do one more example. 4.5 multiplied with 3. Okay, in this case 4.5 multiplied with 3. So this is 135. You can multiply the numbers only. Okay, 135. Then after the thing, what do we need to do is, we just multiply the numerical values. We know how to multiply them now. Then after, here you can see only one digit after the decimal point. Okay, 4.5 means only one digit after the decimal point. So from its last, you have to place the decimal one digit before. One digit before. So your answer should be 13.5. 13.5. Another example. 11.3 multiplied with 4. Okay, in this case, let's multiply. 11.3 multiplied with 4. Let's multiply 113 by 4. So that will give you 142. Okay, when you multiply 142. Here you can see only one digit after the decimal point. That means from the multiplied values last, we have to move the decimal one digit towards its left. Okay, while multiplication only one digit here. So you should move your decimal one digit from its last. So another case, 5.33 multiplied with 2. Okay, let's multiply this. When you multiply, your answer should be 6, 6, 10. Okay, 1066. Here you can see two digits. There are two digits after the decimal point. Here, there are two digits after the decimal point now. So from its last, we have to place our decimal two digits before. 1, 2. So your decimal should be placed here. Yeah. So your answer is 10.66. 10.66. One last example. 7.123. Okay, 7.123 multiplied with 3. So let's multiply. Here 9, 6, 3, 21. Okay, when you multiply this one by number 3, that will give you 21,369. But in here you can see after the decimal point there are only 1, 2, 3. Okay, after the decimal point 1, 2, 3. There are 3 digits after the decimal point. So from the multiplied values last, you should place your decimal 3 digits towards left. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So your decimal should be placed somewhere here. So final answer would be 21.369. That's all for these kind of questions. Okay, I'll repeat once more what we did here. While you are multiplying a decimal value with another number, okay, that might be a decimal number or not. That's not a problem. Okay, I'll repeat once more. 0.3 multiplied with 2. Only multiply the numerical values. Okay, if you consider about the decimals here, that will give you some headache for you. So that's why I'm giving you an easiest example, such that just multiply the numbers only. 3 multiplied with 2 will give you 6. So from its last, you have to place your decimal one digit before, because only a digit after the decimal point. Okay, if there is no any numbers here, we can put 0. Okay, let's put 0. Similarly, here also 4.5 multiplied with 3. 45 multiplied with 3, 135. Here you can see only one digit after the decimal point. Okay, only one digit after the decimal point. So in this case also, from its last, you have to move your decimal one digit from its last. Okay, one digit from its last. Similarly, here also 113 multiplied with 4, 142 from its last. We just moved our decimal one digit because only a digit after the decimal point. Likewise, for our next question, 5.33 multiplied with 2. Yeah. So, here, look at this example. Okay, 53 multiplied with 2. So, just multiply 533 times 2. That will give you 1066. How many digits after the decimal point? 2 digits. So, from its last, you have to place your decimal 2 digits before. 2 digits before. So, your final answer should be 10.66. Okay. Likewise, here also 7.123 multiplied with 3. Just multiply the numbers. 21,369. There are 3 digits after the decimal point. So, from your last, you have to place your decimal 3 digits before. So, your answer should be 21.369. That's all for this explanation.